This assessment asks us to predict the starting material and reagents needed to form this Claisen product, being very careful to provide the correct order of addition of the reagents. In this Claisen addition product, the left side is the side that used to be the electrophile side, and the right side is the side that used to be the enolate side. So I need to make an enolate from the right half of this molecule. But I can't have that be my starting material because it will react with another molecule of itself in a Claisen dimerization reaction before I get a chance to do the cross-Claisen reaction. So I'm going to want to start with the ester from the right side of this molecule. Notice that this ester does not have any enolizable protons, so that when I add sodium ethoxide, there's no enolate that can form, and so this reaction, this molecule will not undergo a self-Claisen reaction. Then I can add the ester that I want to use as my enolate, and I should add it dropwise, so that only small amounts of that enolate are formed at a time, and they can react with my electrophile to form the Claisen product that I need. And then I'll need an acidic quench to quench the reaction. This starting material with these reagents in this particular order will form the Claisen product that I desire.